Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Gaming X Trio graphic cards. This is by MSI and I'm bringing a RTX 3080 Ti unboxing to you guys. Now, I have specifically bought this not just to test it out and all this stuff, but also to really put this thing through the ringer, because I have seen a lot of people waste their money or invest it properly. Depends on the testing results. But this little thing is supposed to be a little bracket by coolmygpu.com, and that is supposed to make your GPU a lot cooler. All right, and that's the copper bit as well. So these will go onto this GPU and I'll be putting it on. So what I will be doing is, first I'll be testing it just to see how it performs without any of these modifications. Then I'll modify it and actually give you an unbiased review. The reason I'm doing this is because I've seen one person test it and every website rave and rage about it. I have talked to these guys and I have gotten no responses from their website, emails and all this stuff. So I just wanted to check it for myself. So I have funded that myself. That's over $200 worth of equipment just there, and this cost me about $1,300. So all up you're looking at about nearly $1,800 worth of equipment that I am doing just to test it out. So if you guys appreciate this and you guys want to see this channel keep going and do well, all you have to do is watch more videos, subscribe, and if you can, like, and if you like the video obviously, and super thanks really helps out. Now today I'm going to be just unboxing this GPU and show you guys what to expect in there. Okay, so let's get this started. So the box is quite tiny compared to some of the boxes nowadays with the 40 series GPUs coming out. They're quite huge. You know, this is not that big, but it is quite big, and I like it. It's not too much information. I like it. It's not too much information. All right, let's open it up. It's got two little nice, neat holding things that you can pull out with. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, first of all, you'll get a bit of information here for you. Alright, so let's see, what do we get? We get a MSI graphic support thing, support bracket, how to install it. Okay, so this goes underneath. That's a very different one. I haven't seen these sort of things. What I've seen is brackets going like this and holding it under here in the top end of the card or the bottom pin slot end of the card. I've got one that holds it right there on the other side, near the pin, but I've never seen something like this. So this is really interesting. I like the idea. It seems like it's a lot doable and a lot easier, because getting in there with the screwdrivers and adjusting is a nightmare. However, that is universal, the one I'm using. I don't think this will be for every single GPU. It's just for this GPU. So made for gamers, creators, just a bit of pamphlet that you get in here. All right. You also get how to upgrade your PC with a new graphic card. So just a bit of a comic book kind of thing that shows you how to install it and also use MSI Afterburner. Got a bit of a program going on here, all right, that you can join, reward program, and you've got the user manual. All right, that's basically it. All right. Let's see what we get. So first of all, get that out of the way, because put this aside for a second. The bracket, I guess. Nothing else in here. All right. And let's see in here. There's nothing else in there either. Okay, let's look at this bracket. Okay, I don't think I'll need it, but it's here. So this is the bracket here. And for all the RGB enthusiasts, there's no RGB here, okay? This is just to stick things onto there. Alright, let's get this bad boy opened up. Alright, that's the card. It doesn't look too bad to my naked eye without testing it. It looks in pristine condition. It looks like it's been looked after very well. There's no dust whatsoever. There's no dust buildup in the fins either, if you guys can look. Normally if you look through the fans into the fins, there'll be like dust, and there'll be dust here as well if it's not been looked after. You can see clearly through these fins. There's no issues. It's quite clean. It's been well looked after. It almost feels like it's quite new as well. It's got the HDMI and display ports, 3 display ports. Okay, that's basically it. All right, so what I will do is I will test this card out on my main rig, and then I'll make a video of how to put this in, and then I'll be making another video. So tell me, give me some ideas, guys. What do you guys think I should do? You know, should I do these many videos, compare it here? What should I test? What games do you want me to test? I'm thinking of mostly benchmarks, really pushing it. And what I do is, if you guys are new to this channel, I run the game. Let's say if I'm testing a game, I let it run for half an hour before I start recording the information, and I then average that information from the time I record it. So half an hour of runtime, then 5 minutes of recording. So that's what I do with all my tests. You know, even if it's just like benchmarking something, I'll let the benchmark run a few times to 30 minutes, then I'll record it for the next 5. But this is basically it. So this is interesting, by the way. I just wanted to share this with you guys. These fans are together, so 2 together, as you can see. All right, guys, that's basically it. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what your ideas are. Shout out below. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.